Let's continue Ilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 24. Something very special about Teshuvah. Teshuvah is a present from HaKadosh Baruch Hu to us, but Teshuvah happens also in present time. We did things in the past. We're going to do some things, good or bad, in the future. But now, in the present time, what are we doing? Teshuvah happens now, in the present. The Pasuk in Yechezkel teaches us, and the Rambam brings it down the halacha and Perek Gimel, halacha Gimel from Ilchos Teshuvah, that there is something that's called Toihe al Harishonos, regrets and the past. It means I did actions, I did things, I had thoughts, I saw things, I said things, I did all kinds of things. Some were good and some were bad. When I'm coming now, and the question in the present time is, what do I feel about what I did once? The question about what I did is like how I feel it now, what I feel today about what I did. If someone, he was a tzaddik till today, he did everything was okay, he did all the mitzvahs, he never did avera, and he came to a situation that the psak about him, from heaven, from Shamayim, is that he's a tzaddik chaya yichye, only life, only schar, only lovely and schar in Gan Eden forever. But now, he feels bad about what he did. He regrets his mitzvahs that he did. He feels he's not happy with them. He says, maybe if I could go back to my young years, I would not continue in yeshiva, I would not continue learning, continue with Torah, continue with mitzvahs. I would go on a different path, in a different way, in a different direction in my life. The minute that's his thoughts, that's the way that he treats his own actions from once, all his mitzvahs, in a minute, it's gone. Nothing stays. Kol mitzvahs of asher asa lo yechashvu. It's not counted for him. All the mitzvahs that he did, that's it. And the minute that he did now, it shows he was at bechira to do something bad. Be'avaynoi hu yamus. He will die with the savera, and all the mitzvahs that he did till today, all the years, it's not counted. Because everything happens now, the present, in this minute, in this moment, what we decide, what we feel, that's the truth. Could be also someone else. Till now, he did a lot of averas. He thought things that he was not supposed to think. He spoke things and he said that he was not supposed to say. And he did actions, he did averos. It could be averos ben adam lamokaim, and in front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. It could be averos ben adam lachaveroi, bad things, and it could be ben adam la'atzvoi. All kind of averas that he did. But today, how he feels about that Averos. If all the Averos that he did, and it could be a Rasha, and a Rasha Gamul, is perfect Rasha, is a perfect Rasha. This Rasha, and the Psak on him, in heaven and Shamayim, is Mois Yamus. That's it, he needs to die, no life. Mois in this world, and Mois in the next world, and Olam Hazeh, and Olam Haba, Mois Yamus, because he's such the biggest Rasha that there was in the world. The minute that he feels now that he's sad about the averas that he did, he regrets them. He says to himself, you know what? If I could go back to the age of 15, I would choose different friends. I would do different actions that would lead me to a different way of life. He's not happy with what he did. Today, now, in the present time, he feels bad with what he did. Kol avoynois of asher asa, kol rish asoi, all his evil, all his bad, all his averos, lo yechashvu lo, you're not counted, they're not counted at all. And be'avoynois of chaya yichye, it changes into zechuyos, it becomes like mitzvahs. The lashon from the Chasam Sofer is that the kezayis nevele that he ate, the kezayis nevele, the ma'acholos asuros, that he was not supposed to eat, and he ate, nechshav loy, it's counted for him ke'achilas korban pesach, kezayis korban pesach b'Yerushalayim. The kezayis nevela is counted in Shamayim as kezayis korban pesach. Why? Because he feels now, I regret what I did. If I could plan my life again with the experience that I have today, could go back to the age of 15, I would choose a different path, I would choose a different way, I would go a different direction. Toye alo rishonos. Everything, all his averas change into mitzvahs. It's a gigantic present that Kadosh Baruch Hu gives us, that in the present time we decide and we give the pshat for everything what we did till today, if it's going to be mitzvah or averis. The Rambam says it in his lashon, that's toya al rishonos, mishenicham ala mitzvahs yasa. If he has nechama on it, he regrets the mitzvahs. V'toya al zchuyos, so I'm about alti be'asiyas, and why did I do all these mitzvahs? Ulai lo yasi says, maybe it would be better without doing it. Arei ze ibei des kulam, ve'imazkiri lo yishum zchus shebe'olam. That's toya al rishonos, and it goes in both ways. It's a gigantic present that Kadosh Baruch Hu gave us, that if we sit with ourselves and we decide, you know what? If I could go back, start my life again from the bat mitzvah, bar mitzvah, and I would go a different way. If I would, with today's experience, I would go back then, and I would go a different way. Everything changes in the mitzvahs. Aleihen choya yiche. Kadosh Baruch Hu should help us to think and to feel in the present time everything in the right way, everything what we did.